Hey guys, kicking it with Kish here. I didn't know if you guys ever noticed that with the green stalks, they have this. Do you know with the carrot tops, you could put the carrot top in the top of the green stalk to help with adding more, keeping more water into the top watering reservoir, so it actually will drain out slower versus putting it the top without the carrot top in it, and then all the water just coming out through the overflow hose. I don't know what mine is. It's over through the overflow hose. It actually makes it come out a lot slower. So I didn't know if anybody knew this, because I noticed that nobody really talks about it. So if you have the carrot tops, you could literally you could fill it all the way up to the top. The carrot top is not gonna come out. You could put it all the way up to the top, and then you could cover your you could put your lid on, and then just walk away. And then you definitely know your green stalk will get a deeper watering than if you didn't have something in there to stop the water from coming through the center hole. Alright, thank you for kicking it with Kish, and I hope I was able to help you guys out with some stuff, at least being able to water your green stalk with a lot more water than you normally would without it. Thank you for kicking it with Kish. Bye.